Hello everyone, I Rashmi Guy. Welcome back to the Physics Wallah channel. And today we are just going to see amazing career option in this video. So stay with me till the end. And we are just going to see all the career options that not only offer the amazing salaries, but also allow you to make a real difference in the world without an MBBS degree. And share this video with your friends who are really confused about the career option. This video definitely gonna help them a lot. And stay with me till the end, because today we are just going to see which exams you have to appear for, what are the courses, earning potential, and all the career options, all the best colleges, right? Or topmost three government or three private colleges, although we have a lot of the government colleges for these courses. So if you really want to pursue MBBS, you have two options. Either you appear for the NEET and get good cutoff, get the good marks, and get the good government medical college. And you have other option, private colleges. But you know that private colleges always charge hefty amount. And some kids, go abroad for this MBBS degree, right? And if you really want to practice medicine in India after doing MBBS abroad, so you have to appear for the next exam. You have to clear the next exam after that to practice medicine in India. Then if you really want to be known as doctor, and if you really want a good career option also, you can go for the veterinary, you can go for dental, BDS, you can go for BAMS and BHMS, and we will see all the all the career options in these field also. And today we are just focusing more on the courses that is available in India, or we can make videos on the global courses or on some emerging fields due to technology. So we can do that, right? So yeah, BPT, Bachelor of the Physiotherapy, BSc in the, so we can see that you can do the BPT, and these are the courses that are really having the good opportunity. So after BSc, you have to do the MSc and then PhD for the research, if you really want to go into the research and all, right? So yeah, for that you have to do the PhD. So let's see everything about the colleges. So first of all, let's start with the Ayurveda, medicine and surgery. You can see the top government colleges and top private colleges. Although we have a lot of the colleges for this exam, for this course, you have to appear for the NEET exam, and then you have to, fill for the counseling, or you have to apply for the counseling in the Ayurveda. So these are the salary, entry level, mid level, senior level, and these are the career growth potential, which is moderate to high, because we know that Ayurveda is again gaining the recognition in the global also, right? In the global world, they are getting the global recognition, leading to increased opportunity for the qualified practitioners. And you are having this government private Ayurveda, hospitals, private practice, wellness center. And if you really want to go into the academics or research, you can go for further PhDs and all, right? Next, we are having the homeopathic medicine and surgery. So yeah, we are having these top government colleges, but again in homeopathic, we have confined option in India only. It is not like, it doesn't have that global recognition. So entry level, mid level, senior level, as you can see there, earning potential. Career growth potential is moderate with opportunity in the private practice, hospital and research, because I have told you that it is like in India, confined in India, homeopathic clinic, government hospital, private practices. What are the future prospects? So homeopathy is widely accepted in India with growing opportunity for practitioners, but again it has confined options, as I have told you, right? Next is the veterinary science. So yeah, course duration is 5.5 years, including 1 year internship. So it is included in this year itself. And then eligibility, you know that you require PCB with science with minimum 50% marks, and entrance exam you have to appear for the NEET, and some state conducting their own exams. So yeah, you have to appear for those specific entrance exams. And then you have this top government colleges, as I mentioned here, like Indian Veterinary Research Institute. Then this is the other GB Pant University, and then we have Assam Agriculture University, Punjab Agriculture University. We can see some top private colleges. So yeah, these are the top private colleges. These are the salary expectation, entry level, mid level, senior level. And when we talk about the growth potential, it has very, very good potential, because we know that nowadays this awareness is increasing, right? So veterinary science offers significant opportunities for career growth, particularly in specialized field like surgery, pathology, and this course, animal welfare, advanced studies, as you can see. And what are the job opportunities? So yeah, you are having opportunities in government, animal husbandry departments, veterinary hospitals, research institute, private sector. So then we have research and academia. We are having welfare, animal welfare organizations, a lot of the welfare organizations, right? Like wildlife conservation projects, and then we have animal welfare organizations, NGOs. Future prospect, growing demand, because we know that with increasing awareness about the animal health and welfare, this demand of these people are also increasing, right? Expanding industry, these are all expanding industries. Global opportunities, so yeah, they are having very good global opportunity also. So although I have not elaborated global opportunity, but we can do in the later videos, right? So stay connected with us. A specialization, so you can see all these specialization in the veterinary itself, which if you are interested in surgery, if you're interested in pathology, pharmacology, and then genetics and breeding medicine, so yeah, you can opt your favorite this field here. So ultimately, this is the emerging field. Now, when we talk about the BDS, 5 years, including 1 year internship, and then obviously 12th class students can appear for this. You have to appear for the NEET exam, and then you have to sit for the counseling also after the NEET exam for the BDS specifically. And top government colleges I mentioned over here, although you have a lot of the colleges, but these are the top one. And then I have mentioned some private colleges, as you can see here. These are the private colleges, right? Next, if you talk about the expectation, so I wrote entry, middle, and the senior level expectation. And then this is the career growth potential. So high growth potential, because again, we know that it has good opportunity these days because people are more aware about their oral and dental health, right? And then private, you can go for the private practice. What are the job opportunities? These are government jobs, private sectors, academia and research. And then you can actually go for the entrepreneurship thing, right? Because again, we have the product companies also. So dental product companies, you can work for them as a consultant, as a researcher, and development for the dental product manufacturers, or you can go into this field itself, right? If you really want to explore the market. So these are the future prospect, growing demand. If you talk about the specialization, you have a lot of the specialization, which I have mentioned here. Global opportunity. So yeah, we are having the good opportunity for these people globally. So yes, you can actually think for this. And then we are having all this specialization after BDS. As you can see here, I have mentioned everything in detail here. So ultimately, this is the excellent opportunity with the emerging field. So you can think about the BDS now. When we talk about the Bachelor of Physiotherapy, BPT, which is 4.5-year course, and including 6-month internship in the 4.5 year itself. So like for 6 months, you have to do the internship. Top government colleges I mentioned, top private college I mentioned, so you can go for this. And then if we talk about salary, entry level, experienced, if we talk about demands, so obviously now these people are, the demand of this profession is also increasing with the aging population, rising awareness of physical health, and people are like more aware about this physical health and all, right? So emerging area in the sports, telephysiotherapy, robotic rehabilitation. So next is the potential employers are hospitals, private clinics, sports organization, educational institutes, corporate sectors, because again, they are aware about the ergonomics and, their employee health and healthcare management, also having the good scope of the physiotherapist. Now, when we talk about the BSc, now we are just going to see the BSc in the various fields. For after that, you have to go for MSc in your specialization field, and then you can go for the PhD if you really want to join the academics and research. So BSc in biotechnology or advancement also, right? So yeah, you can go for, because nowadays, so like a lot of the technological advancement happening in the world. So yes, you can actually do the PhD and then can explore the business opportunity in it, or you can explore the other opportunities also in the market. So BSc in biotechnology is one of the emerging field and one of the amazing fields. So top government colleges I mentioned over here, top private colleges I mentioned here, but again, you can do the biotechnology from many colleges. So a lot of the, you have to give, you know, sometimes some colleges are having the BSc Biotechnology, and they're giving you a seat on the basis of the CUT exam. So yeah, you have to appear for CUT, and some colleges having their own exams, some government state colleges having their own entrance exam for that. So you can go for that, right? So next, when we talk about their salaries, I have mentioned it here. And then again, when you are skilled in certain certain, you know, field, if you are doing so amazing in this certain field, so there's no limit for the skilled people, right? So they can expect high salary. So career growth potential high, particularly in sector like pharmaceuticals, healthcare, agriculture, biotechnology. What are the job opportunities? So you are having the research institutes, biotech companies, pharmaceutical firms. What are the future prospects? So biotechnology is growing rapidly with application, because wherever we see technology, we know that all these fields are emerging, because we are commercializing technology a lot these days, right? So if you are thinking to go for the biotechnology, so obviously you can do best in the field, and can like you have a lot of the opportunities in the entrepreneurship also in these fields. Now when we talk about microbiology, so these are the top colleges and these are the top private colleges. Salary, so these are the entry, mid and senior level. Career growth potential high, specifically in the healthcare, pharmaceuticals and environmental sectors. What are the job opportunities? So it's in the hospital, research, pharmaceutical companies, and always in all the field we have the you know, this entrepreneurship, you know, this field also, like opportunities also, right? So future prospectors, microbiologists are in the demand in the research and development, making it promising career pathway. When we talk about the nutrition and dietitians, so I'm sure you are well aware about these people. Nowadays their demand is also going up. So yeah, we are having the top government colleges, then we are having the top private colleges. These are the salary expectation. Career potential or career growth potential is strong, as I have told you, right? Driven by the increasing awareness of the health and nutrition. These days people are more aware about it, because we know that we are getting the adulterated food everywhere, right? We are into the bad you know, eating habits. So we actually need these people, and you know, these people are actually working for these celebrities and all, you know, right? So yeah, they are having good opportunities, and they are just spreading the awareness about the health, job opportunities, hospitals, wellness centers, sport teams. You know that we, all the sport teams require these people specifically. Even all the people who really want to maintain, and those health enthusiast people need these nutritionists and dietitian with them, so they can do the freelancing, they can do their own business, they can do anything, right? So if you are skilled and you are like want to explore in your field and you are so skilled in that, you can do anything. So yeah, if we see the future prospect, as public awareness of health and nutrition grows, so does the demand for the qualified dietitian and nutritionist also growing up. Now when we talk about genetics, so when we talk about the genetics, we are having these top colleges and top private colleges. What are the salaries? So you can see the salaries over here. Career growth potential is very high, especially with the advancement in the genetic research and personalized medicine. Yes. So this field is also like very amazing. Job opportunities, healthcare. So you can do the BSc in the zoology or the botany, and after that you can go for the specialization in genetics, right? Because again, if you do the zoology honors and botany honors, they are giving you a lot of the scopes ahead for the MSc. So in masters, you can opt for any of the specialization very, very easily. So next is job opportunities, healthcare institute, research lab, genetic counseling centers, future prospect. Genetics is a rapidly evolving field and significant potential in medicine, agriculture and biotechnology. So yeah, genetics also in good demand. Then you can see the okay, so this was for the physiotherapy, I guess. Yeah. So oh, this is for physiotherapy, salary and the career growth, as you can see, not for the genetics, because for genetics we already have discussed. Okay, now when we talk about the MLT, okay, yes, so you can work in the labs, right? So we know we have a lot of the medical labs, we have everywhere. We have the medical lab in the hospitals, and these are the best colleges, best top government colleges, and then we have the top private colleges. You can go for the entrance exam for these colleges, and then this is the entry level, mid-level, senior level jobs, and they are having very good global prospect also, right? So all these jobs having the good global prospect also. So career growth potential is high with the increasing need of diagnostic services, job opportunities, hospital, diagnostic lab, research institutions. And if you really want to do your own business or want to go for the entrepreneurship, so yeah, these are the good fields. Next, future prospect, demand for the skilled lab technician is rising, offering a stable and lucrative career pathway. So yeah, this is also amazing. And then we are having the pharmacy also, right? So yeah, you can go for the pharmacy and B Pharma, M Pharma. So they also have the good opportunity. They have, you know, the opportunity in the medicine factories, companies, and then they work for the hospitals, clinics, or they can just open their own polyclinics and all, yes, after their M Pharma and all. So they also have the good business opportunity, and then they have a lot of the opportunities in the medicines itself, right? So when we talk about the food technology, so yeah, this is also very, very good field. So kids, these are the top colleges. Even you can give this entrance exam CUET, because a lot of the central university are providing this BSc, MSc food technology. So you can go for this. And these are the private colleges, as you can see here. So these are the entry and mid and senior level job, as I have mentioned here. These are, I have told you that career potential is really good in the food and tech with increasing consumer demand for food safety and innovation, right? So that's why we actually need the food technologist in all the food industries. So now you imagine we have ample amount of the food industry globally. So these people having a lot of the good opportunities, and they can go for the, again, they have the business prospect all the time. So job opportunities are food processing companies, quality assurance lab, research institution, future prospect. The food technology industry is expanding rapidly, as you can know about this, making it a promising field with diverse job opportunities. Now, when we talk about the environmental science, one of the amazing field, because this subject having a lot of the global prospect. So you can just move outside, and then you can go after doing the BSc, MSc, or you can just do the course, 6 month or like a diploma course there in any of the countries. You will be getting very, very good jobs there. So yes, when we talk about the environment, we know we have a lot, we actually require a lot of the environmentalists now, because you know that our earth is suffering always, right? So these are the best university, or you can give the CUET exam. So a lot of the central university providing you this course. And then we are having these top private colleges, and then these are the entry, mid-level, senior level salaries. Career potential is increasing with a growing focus on environmental conservation and the sustainable practices, job opportunities, environmental consultancies, NGOs, government agencies, research institutes. Future prospects, so is becoming, it's this really emerging field. It's very hot field, because I have told you that every people need these people, these environmentalists now, right? Now, when we talk about the radiology and imaging technology, so these all are the paramedical fields. So yeah, these are the best colleges. And then you can see the other government colleges also. These are the top private colleges, right? So, and I have mentioned some of the private colleges, some deemed university also in the government colleges, right? So don't be like, oh, you have mentioned these private colleges here. So yeah, they are having comparatively very less fee in comparison to the private colleges, right? So next is the entry level, mid level, senior level salary. You can see they also having very high demand, right? In the diagnostic and the treatment, hospital, diagnostic center, research institute, private clinics, and always there is the, this demand of, there is the business prospect also, and if you really want to be an entrepreneur, so these fields are always amazing. Future prospect, radiology, imaging technology is a critical part of modern healthcare with growing demands for the qualified professional in this field. And now when we talk about the BSc in genetics, so I guess we already have discussed this. These are the top private colleges and government colleges. We already have discussed genetics in detailed way. Oh yes, this is another occupational therapy is another hot subject, I would say. You can get easily opportunity outside India also after doing these occupational therapy courses. So these are the best colleges, although some other colleges are also there which you can consider. Then obviously these are the other top colleges, as you can see. Salary, so yeah, these are the salaries, as you can see. Career growth potential. So yes, we know that people are aware about the occupational therapy in rehab and mental health. So job opportunities in the hospitals, in the rehab centers, in schools, mental health clinics, and future prospects. So these are really emerging field going, increasing. Their demand is increasing in globally, actually, I would say. Now, when we talk about the optometry, so yeah, these are the best colleges, and then top government college, private colleges. These are the job prospect, and when we talk about salary expectation, and then we have the career growth potential is very high. Job opportunity, hospital like eye care, they have the high demand, right? Because again, they can work in the high care clinics, optical companies, research institutes. Future prospect, with rising awareness about vision health, their advancement in eye care technology is also required. So optometry is also emerging field, and then you know that you can create the opportunity for yourself also, be the entrepreneur in this field. So next is nutritionist and dietitian. Okay, we already have discussed this thing also. Clinical research. When we talk about the clinical research, some good top colleges I mentioned here, private and government both. And this is the salary expectation. Career growth is high because again, what are the job opportunities? Contract research organization. You can go for the pharmaceutical companies, healthcare institute, research lab. What are the future prospects? So obviously this is expanding. Clinical research fields are always expanding. And with the increasing demand for professional in drug development and medical research, obviously their demand is also increasing globally. Now, when we talk about the forensic science, these are the top government colleges. And although you can appear for the CVT exam, and some central university also providing this forensic science like DU also providing it, right? And then you can obviously see this top private colleges providing these courses. Career growth is moderate to high depending on specialization and experience. What are the job opportunities? So these are the job opportunities and future prospect. So increasing importance of forensic science, but again this field is limited because sometimes these MBBS people go for the forensic and all, so their demand is high in comparison. But yeah, if these people are really amazing in their field, so obviously they can thrive in any of the fields, no? So that's all. This is the conclusion, that we have all these career for you science students. If you really don't want to go for MBBS, or you feel that you have less marks, or if there is any alternative career option that you can opt for, so you can think about it. I hope this video is helpful, and in case you really want me to expand any of the opportunities, because this is the concise thing I have told you, but again it was elaborative also at the same time, so we can come up with other opportunities for you kids, other hot emerging field in technology also, right? So stay connected with our channel. Thank you so much, and all the best. In case you are having anything in your head, you want to share anything, write down in the comment box, right? And all the best, kids. Have a great day.